You probably didn't know about this, but the only browsers that stream 1080p Netflix are Internet Explorer on Windows and Safari on macOS. Shocking, isn't it? If you use, say, Chrome, Firefox, or any kind of Linux browser, God forbid you do, all you'd get is a measly 720p. There is no option for you to upgrade to a 1080p, even though you're actively paying for it. Enter Netflix 1080p. It's a Netflix browser extension for Google Chrome and Firefox that'll enable support for 1080p for your Netflix. Sounds mental, yeah? Let's see how we can shade it up now, shall we? Before we get started, make sure you get the standard or premium plan on Netflix, because the basic one only supports standard definition. So you might want to get that if you know. Next, on your Chrome browser, go to Netflix and search for Test Pattern. It's a video that gives you the real-time representation of resolution and native frame rate on Netflix. Play the video for a few seconds, and now, if you notice at the top right corner, the maximum resolution goes up to 720p. You can further check the quality of the stream with the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Alt-S. If the bitrate is 3000, it means it's about 720p, and if the bitrate is somewhere around 4300 or 5800, it means it's 1080p. How about we fix that? Install the Netflix 1080p extension from the Chrome store, the link's in the description below. The extension works as the installer, but you might want to clear your cache first. So let's just quickly do that. Now refresh the test pattern video, change the stream quality by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Alt-S, and you should see the option to set the bitrate to 4300 kilobytes per second or 5800 kilobytes per second for 1080p. So there you go, now you can stream Netflix in 1080p, although some videos might not support that, but there's nothing you can do about it. Check out Smart DNS Proxy if you're keen to unblock geo-restricted content on sites like Netflix, Hulu, Pandora, or even Amazon Prime Video. And there's a free trial if you fancy. Sounds good, right? As always, I'm Vamsi in Smart DNS Proxy, and thanks for watching.